Greetings children, welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. The following video is for class 1, subject general science, chapter 7, our body, part 1. So, what is our body? Our body means us, right? Uh, we are in this chapter we are going to learn about what are the different parts of our body, what part of our body we used for doing things like walking, running, skipping, picking up. All these things we are going to learn in this chapter. Then we are going to learn what is milk teeth and what are permanent teeth, how to take care of our teeth, how to be healthy. All these things we are going to learn. So now we jump, walk, skip, run, sing and dance, right? We jump, we skip, then we dance, we walk, we run. Right, we do so many activities every day, right? Like reading, writing, jumping, walking, dancing, skipping, playing. All these activities we do every day. You also do know. In the morning, when you're sleeping, you wake up. So your body wakes up. Then after waking up, you go brush your teeth, right? Then you get freshen up, right? Then you walk to the washroom, then you walk out of the washroom. So we do different activities every day, right? So we use many body parts to do all those activities, right? To do any kind of activities, we use the different parts of our body. What are the main parts that you can see in the picture here? Hair, eyes, hands, fingers, legs and toes, right? These are like the parts of our body, different parts of our body. Hair makes us look beautiful. Eyes helps us to see. Hand and finger helps us to pick some things. Then leg and toes helps us to walk, to run, to skip and everything. Right? Yes. Each and every part in our body is important to us. Right? There are many parts in our body and they are important to all of us. Right? Now here you can see what are the different parts of the body. You can see eyebrows, nose, hair, eyes, ears, mouth, leg, teeth, arms, tongues, hand, foot, chest. Okay. Now when I say out these names, can you touch it and show it to your parents? Eyebrows, nose, hair, eye, ear, mouth, leg, teeth, arm, tongue, hand, foot and chest. Very good children. You all know what are the different parts of our body, right? Each part is very important. All body parts work together when we want to perform any activity, right? To do any activity, we require the different parts in our body. If you have to drink milk, you have to use your hand to pick up the glass and then drink the milk, isn't it? So that we use the hand and our mouth also to drink the milk. So hand and mouth are the two different or body parts that we use for drinking milk. Now here in the picture you can see head, hair, ear, eyes, mouth, nose, tongue, fingers, hand and foot. Okay. When we run, we use our legs, right? When we are running, we use our legs. We need our legs to run. One in front of the other, you keep it in a rhythm. You can just run from one place to another. When we pick up something, we use our hands and fingers. When you play with the toys, all the toys are lying on the floor. When you have to pick it up, you use your hand and you use your fingers, right? Then as we grow older, our body keeps growing taller and bigger. Here you can see that it increase in the size and the length is called growing. Okay. When you are small, you're very small your height is smaller and your weight is small, weight is less. All these things, if it has to increase, it increases with time. So that growing taller and bigger is called the growing. Okay. As we grow older, as you grow age, first standard, second standard, LKG, UKG, you can see your siblings. If they're elder to you, they're a little bigger than you. If they're younger to you, they're smaller than you, right? So if you see your siblings, you will know you will grow bigger and you were smaller. So that process is called growing. Then here you can see all the parts of the body. First is hair, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, lips. Your eyes, nose, mouth and lips are in your face. Then below the face is the neck. Below the neck is the shoulder. Below the shoulder is the chest. Then arms, elbow and hand. Hand, arms, elbow, fingers and thumb. Then stomach. Okay. Then waist. Above the stomach is called the waist. Then thighs. Below the stomach it's called thighs. Two legs have two different thighs. Then knees. You have the bone in your leg, no, that is called knees. Then ankle and foot. Then toes. All the fingers in your legs are called toes. Understood? These are the main parts of our body. Now, in your textbook in page number 64, here there is one small activity. Okay, page number 64 in your textbook, there is a small activity. They have given the different parts of the body like hair, head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, neck, arm, hand, fingers, knees, leg, foot and toes. All these things is mentioned. Then in the second picture they have put one line and they have given boxes. So you have to find out what are the different parts of the parts that are labeled in this picture. So what is the first box? What does it say? You can see, for the reference, you can see the screen or you can see the picture right next to the activity, right next to the second picture. First one, it is head. Head or hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Second box, what you have to write? You have to write hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Please write it down, children. First box you are going to write hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Second box is H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Third box, what are they? Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. The spelling is also in the first picture or it is even in the screen. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Third box. Then fourth box, what is it? Knee. Right? What is the spelling of knee? K-N-E-E. Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. Then next box is fifth box, leg. L-E-G. Leg. What is it? L-E-G. Leg. The last box, what are they? Toes. T-O-E-S. Toes. Now you understood what are the different parts of our body. Now stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself and keep learning. Please read the textbook and do the activities and the exercises in your textbook with the help of your parents. Thank you, children.